I'm Brittany with WTI, and to finish my laundry room, I needed to get some flooring.
And I found this Suntecwood vinyl flooring. We had this tiny empty room that needed some work, so we filled the crack, leveled the floor, and put in this beautiful vinyl flooring. I really appreciated how well it was packaged and protected. It is so easy to install, to cut the sizes that you need. You can see this piece on each side. It's got the different grooves so that they snap in together, and just look at the quality of the interior. The bottom has the anti-slip and waterproofing, and the top's got that beautiful wood look. They snap in so easily. We did the plank of the length of the floor and then snapped that in, and then just tap them tight. It did not take long to progress and to transform this room. I appreciated the look of this flooring. It is so beautiful. You can see the grain, you can see the quality, and after you put the baseboards down and the caulk, this room is ready to be whatever you need, and I needed a laundry room. This flooring is waterproof, which is perfect for if you are washing clothes, if there's any leaks or drop of water from the clothes when you're transferring to the dryer. And that's also great for when you are needing to clean it. It is so easy to clean, maintain, and mop. What a difference this flooring made. It ultimately changed this construction storage room into a functional, beautiful laundry room.
This is exactly what I needed to make my laundry room a reality, and it has made my life so much better. But that's just my point of view.